Hi, this is Ajanta ma'am, and again I'm back to sort out all your problems regarding literature and language. Today I shall be doing the short story Thank You Ma'am by Langston Hughes. This story is a powerful tale about kindness, trust, and transformation. And here's a concept clarity breakdown to help you understand the story. Firstly, what does the story talk about? The story begins with the character Roger, a young boy, attempting to snatch the purse of Mrs. Louella Bates Washington Jones, a large, strong and a kind-hearted woman. And instead of turning him over to the police, Mrs. Jones catches him, scolds him, and then takes him home to her very modest room. She feeds Roger because she feels for this young boy. She gives him advice and ultimately offers him money to buy the blue suede shoes he wanted. What does the story teach? The story, therefore, teaches a lesson in dignity, trust, and kindness. The key themes of the story are kindness and compassion, trust and redemption. Why redemption? Because Mrs. Louella Bates' trust in Roger encourages him to change, as seen when he resists the temptation to steal from her purse again and run out of the door. Thirdly, the story discusses the theme of choices and poverty. The story highlights how people from poor background make their choices and their desperate actions sometimes do not justify their wrong actions. Mrs. Jones implies she too has faced hardships earlier, but she chose a different path. Lastly, the theme of dignity and respect. Mrs. Jones treats Roger with dignity and expects him to behave the same way. She teaches him about earning what he wants rather than taking it dishonestly. How would we describe Mrs. Louella Bates Washington Jones? She's a very strong woman. She physically stops Roger and handles the situation with wisdom, teaching him through her actions rather than harsh words. She is also empathetic. She shares that she too has made mistakes, showing Roger that she understands his struggles. You can say that she is generous too. Despite her own modest means, she gives Roger money for the shoes he wants. How would you describe Roger? Roger is a young lad, desperate and naive. He is portrayed as a boy trying to steal due to his circumstances. And through his encounter with Mrs. Jones, Roger begins to understand trust, kindness, and the value of honesty. He's grateful. Though he struggles to express it, Roger's gratitude is evident by the end when he cannot even bring himself to say thank you. Now, there are many symbolisms in the story. For example, the purse. The purse that Mrs. Bates carries is huge, representing temptation and Roger's initial misguided attempt to steal from Mrs. Bates. The door to her room that is left open symbolizes the trust Mrs. Jones shows on the young lad and the faith and her belief in his potential to change. The blue suede shoes represent Roger's desires and the struggles of poverty and hardships. Mrs. Jones provides the money, signifying an act of kindness that can fulfill dreams without resorting to dishonesty or dishonorable means. Therefore, the moral of the story is that the story teaches acts of kindness and understanding can profoundly impact a person's life. It shows that people can change when treated with dignity, compassion, and trust. Thank you for watching my videos. Do subscribe, like, and share for more such detailed content.